International community is continuously providing relief supplies for the areas hit by the cyclone Nagit. On Saturday, two IL-76 and Intl aircraft carrying milk powder, tents, office facilities, tarpaulins, and high-energy biscuits weighing over 75 tons donated by WFP based in Thailand arrived at the Yangon International Airport at 7:45 a.m., 10:35 a.m., and 3:17 p.m. Jetstar aircraft carrying 45 pouches of medicines donated through Myanmar Embassy in Singapore at 9 a.m. Four C-130 aircraft carrying candles, spoons, pots, blankets, mosquito nets, soaps, fiber caps, plastic packets, fiber water bags, two water purification units, and two 10,000-liter water tank weighing over 28 tons donated by the United States of America at 9:08 a.m., 10:11 a.m., 10:55 a.m., and 4:02 p.m., and AN-12 aircraft carrying nylon rope, plastic packets, and medicated mosquito nets weighing over 6 tons donated by Doctors Without Borders based in Switzerland at 10:38 a.m., respectively. Similarly, IL-76 aircraft carrying over 38 tons of tarpaulins donated by Doctors Without Borders based in Indonesia arrived at Yangon International Airport at 8:56 p.m. on 6 June. Relief supplies donated by international community are continuously arriving by air. These relief supplies are systematically accepted at the airport by relief supplies acceptance committees and are promptly sent to the victims in the storm-hit areas by helicopters, cars, and vessels. With sincere goodwill and deep sympathy based on national spirit, Thermidor families and well-wishers from respective states and divisions are providing cash and kind assistance for the storm victims. Thermidor families and well-wishers from Shan State East donated 444,800 shares in cash and over 33.78 million chips worth clothes and foodstuff. Well-wishers from Shan State South 141,400 shares in cash and relief supplies. Teninai Division over 1.24 million chips worth clothes and consumer goods for the storm victims on Saturday. On Saturday alone, over 90.61 million chips in cash and kinds has received, including over 55 million chips donated at Finance Acceptance and Disbursement Subcommittee. In a total, the cash and kind donations amounted over 11,530.68 million chips up to 7th June. Deputy Director General of Health Department, Dr. Winnie, and officials saw of mobile medical teams who are going to give healthcare services on mobile clinic buses in Bokale, Lapota, and Tiabong townships in Yaoundé Division at the emergency and outpatient ward in Yangon People's Hospital on Saturday and fulfilled the requirements. The medical teams comprised with physicians, eye specialists, pediatricians, psychiatrists, dentists, and assistant doctors were living for Bogale, Lapota, and Tiabong townships. The mobile medical teams will give healthcare services of the locals in Station Township and nearby villages by board boats and boats. Chairman of Shan State North Peace and Development Council, Commander of Northeast Command, Major General Alvento, met 20 National Races trainees who will attend the 43rd intake of National Races Development University and delivered an address at the meeting hall of the Council's office in Lashu on 5th June. Later, the commander provided 600,000 shares financial support to the trainees, and then a Pino National trainee gave words of thanks. On 6th June, the commander attended the 8th cash donation ceremony for the storm victims held in conjunction with the ceremony to provide cash and relief aid to volunteers from Shan State North who will visit storm-hit Ayeyarwady Division and render assistance. Later, an official explained cash and relief aids collected. Then World Visuals donated 46.12 million jets, 700,000 yuan worth medicine and medical equipment, and 3 million jets worth 500 corrugated iron sheets. Then the commander provided medicines, relief supplies, and financial support to volunteers and members of Union Solidarity and Development Association, and the ceremony concluded. Next, the commander viewed loading of medicines and relief supplies donated by World Visuals onto the cars and saw of the volunteers' crew. The total amount of cash and kinds donated from Shan State North amounted over 655.5 million jets at the 1st June. In order to give a helping hand to storm victims, 74 members of volunteers and USDA, including 2 doctors, left for storm-hit areas by 2 express buses. So much for now. We'll bring you more. Stay with us.